today is me and my annoying brother!
Hey!
He sucks. Okay, that was random. Okay, that's my brother. He's
Hello, YouTube.
strange. Just like me, but you know. Okay, today my brother's going to tell you something. I don't know, but anyway, here goes.
Well, my sister over there, she's annoying at times. What? You know how it is.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So YouTube, come back for another special a weekly episode of me and my sister being strange.
Basically, all this week I'm gonna do weird upwards, but mainly tips and questions. But yeah. Bye.
Bye YouTube.
Repair beneath the stains of time, the feelings disappear.